Excellency Bola Ahmed Tinubu, Grand Commander of the Order of the Federal Republic, the Senate President, okay, the Vice President, yeah, sorry, Your Excellency, the Vice President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, the Senate President, Deputy Senate President, the Speaker of the House of Representatives, other members of the National Assembly, the Chairman of the Governors Forum, that's the Governor of Kwara State, members of the Federal Executive Councils, Secretary to the Government of the Federation, Chief of Staff to the President, the National Security Advisor, my Minister, the Minister of Defense, my colleagues, that's the service chiefs and the Chief of Defense Intelligence, senior government officials, gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to start by thanking the Almighty God for giving us all the grace to be here today. Indeed, His mercies endure forever. I would like to thank Mr. President, Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces, for finding the service chiefs, the Chief of Defense Intelligence, and my humble self worthy to be elevated today. It's also important to appreciate the Senate President and members of the National Assembly for the support that they gave me, particularly when I was Chief of Army Staff. And I believe that that support should be extended more to us now as we try to checkmate the myriads of challenges facing Nigeria generally. Our appreciation also goes to the governors who support all our operations in their states. I would also like to appreciate the Minister of Defense, who leads the charge against terrorism, banditry, and all forms of criminality within our country. In the same vein, I'd like to thank the National Security Advisor, who pretends over the intelligence structure. Well, it would be an abnormal if I don't thank our spouses, our families, who make do without us being at home and support all our endeavors. Lastly, I would like to appreciate all the distinguished personalities that are present who have come to grace this occasion. But in all, I want to thank all Nigerians for the support they give to the armed forces. And I expect that they give us more so that we can make Nigeria safer. I want to assure Mr. President and all Nigerians today that we'll do our utmost best to ensure that we rid Nigeria of all forms of criminality and make Nigeria safer so that socio-economic endeavors can thrive. We pledge our loyalty to Mr. President, and we assure you that we'll continue to support the flourishing democracy and support all your government aspirations to make Nigeria better. That's our pledge for you today. Long live Nigeria. I thank you all.